Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. We are working on a 2018 Honda Accord. We did a couple stack fab boxes in here. Basically just contour right to the sides. And these boxes are really, really strong. We actually stack some wood up, 3/4 inch wood, and then we glue them all together, and then we fiberglass them. So they're super strong. So this is one of our enclosures. You see how we stack the wood up, it gives it the unique shape. And then what we end up doing is basically painting a fiberglass resin on the inside that seals it real good. So you can see the wood glue. The wood glue is actually, once it dries, it's actually stronger than the actual wood. So this is the back of one of our enclosures. And that's how it's made. We kind of stack them up so it's really, really strong. These are our Audio Mobile 10s. So these boxes go up to like 0.8 cubic feet per side. We got 10s and 12s, or 8s if you got 8s, I guess. Then we can do, so these boxes here will hold up to a 5¼ inch deep woofer, and then we could add some faces. We could add up to 3 faces, so you can go up to a 7½ inch deep woofer. But you can buy these on our website, store.audiodesigncg.com. And I think this is for the 18 and up Accords. I might have the bodies wrong, but I think it's 18 and up.